This is my logbook. This is the entry panel. You have to call, and the dates are, and the time is already pre-installed. Select different bands, different modes, different radios. This is the actual database here. As the call, the day, the time off, however you want to arrange it. I have images. So if somebody sends me a QSL card or sends me I've got a picture from them on the QRZ. If it's yellow, I'll click it here. You'll see there whatever they have, name and location. This is a QSL card from somebody else. I could delete a record. I could delete this one. I could search. Tells me how many times here you are, how many times we talked. I'm still working on the preference. These are things that don't change. That gets included when I add a like up here. Most of all this is from ADIF. Sometimes I capture the grid square, the prefix. The contest. I don't do too much of that stuff. So all what's on the pref, it's already filled in here. Well, let's see if this will I've got a picture from them on the QRZ. If it's yellow, I'll click it here. You'll see there whatever they have, name and location.